Well, hello there drummers, it's your friend Alan here from DrumGrades.com, and today I have one hell of a treat in store for you. It's a song and a drummer and a band that need no introduction. It Smells Like Teen Spirit by Nirvana, drummed of course by the legendary Dave Grohl, and this one is found in the Trinity Rock Pop grade 6 syllabus. I think you guys are going to have a lot of fun playing this one, and yeah, let's get cracking. So anyway guys, the introduction, we've got that famous guitar riff coming in at the beginning, 3 bars of that. So we're counting obviously 3 bars, you guys know that, you're grade 6 aren't you, for God's sake, I don't need to explain that. Then we come in with the legendary drum fill that sounds like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you can see, we're using flams, we're using open hats. We're not really opening the hat as you might think. We're not kind of going... Some students get a bit confused by that. Really what you're doing there, guys, is you're crashing a trashy hi-hat. So just get your hat set to sort of that semi-open with the left foot, and you're just striking that really, so it stays at a consistent height. As I say, we're flamming, we've got basses going on, and it's all about the interplay really between the hands and the feet. Essentially what we're playing is a single stroke roll between our hands and the feet. So one hand hit, one bass hit. I kind of did that just to demonstrate clearly that it's just that sort of pattern. So a lot of my students, when the speed gets up, really struggle to keep those notes even and in place. Inevitably the bass or the hands move a little bit and it kind of trips over itself. But I think the key thing is just to really stay slow, maybe even set a metronome up at, I don't know, 90, 80, what the hell, go as slow as you need to until you find where that is really comfy. And then you progress up the metronome beats per minute until you can hopefully get up to 117. Because what we want, guys, is we want a really clean feel here that's under control. So I think, you know, using the metronome to achieve that is a really good way of going about it. We're going to basically do 4 flams on the snare. That's what we're going to focus on with the hats in between. And after that 4 flam, we just do a bass drum after it, but it's an 8th note bass, so it's like 4 and. So it's like 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a 4 and. It slows down at the end. So as soon as I get to that last 4th flam, I know to stop, and then the bass after it. 2, 3, 4. Now with the open hi-hat back in. And it's fortissimo, very loud, so we really want to slam that in the end. Maybe up to speed now. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, guys, there we have it. So moving on into this amazing beat, what we have is a quarter note pattern going on the right hand, and then loads of action going on in the